What's going on, everybody? Dad bod season here. Today's rough. I broke my STI. Yep. So I went stage 2, put on the tune, and just normal functionality of my STI was not working right. Everyone out there is gonna sit there and say, well, you shouldn't have modded it. It was a 2019, less than 15,000 miles on it. Why would you do that? You're an idiot. Well, joke's on you, because I think I want to be able to fix it. So the problem is, I'll show you guys. We'll unlock Subi. We will hop right on in here. Okay. Now, I want you to check this out. I go, keys in the on position. There you go. You can see everything. Now, watch. Okay, that's fine. Window. Okay, we're good there. That window. But wait, there's more. That window. The passenger window will not go down. I'll turn the car on and I'll try it. Sounds good though. Might be broken, sounds good. Alright, so there we go. I'm gonna hit the button again. Nothing. I broke it. And you know, first, I noticed this the other day, and I got on the phone with MA Performance, and I was like, hey guys, I love your tune, I love everything you guys did, but my car is broken now. And they were like, what? And I was like, yep, my car is broken, it's running, but I can't put my passenger window down. They're like, okay, well, can you put all your other windows down? I'm like, yep. And they're like, okay. They're like, how about you just try reflashing it? And I was like, okay, yeah, good idea. So I went with that, and still same thing. Everything's broken. So then I was sitting there wondering, what did I do? So I was crawling all underneath this vehicle. They were asking me if I touched wire harnesses, anything. I know I didn't. I know for a fact I did not touch any, but I went and double checked. I made sure everything was hooked up, made sure all the grounds were hooked up. I couldn't understand what was going on. So I then was like, let me go back through the whole installation process. So I rewatched my video on how I installed it to make sure I didn't touch anything. Watched that. Went, looked at other, like, they have a step-by-step instruction sheet, and I read it, and I was like, what on earth did I do? And then it dawned on me, and I was like, hey, idiot, what did you do? First step number uno, step number one, what did you do? I disconnected the battery, which we're supposed to do, right? When you disconnect the battery, or your battery dies on a vehicle, it can kill all of your saved data or whatever on the vehicle. So my tune was still on there, ECU was still fine, but tuning the ECU should have nothing to do with the functions of the windows and stuff like that. That has nothing to do with the engine. It's all interior stuff. It shouldn't have anything to do with that. So I was like, okay, so how do I get it to relearn? So then I tried something. So you're gonna come in here. If you had this problem, watch what I'm doing. You're gonna put your key in. You're gonna go 2 clicks. So there's your accessories, 2 clicks. Christmas tree. Everything's gonna light up. Screaming at you. Screaming at your face, right? You are gonna first, let me turn that off so don't get copyrighted. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna hold it for 3 to 4 seconds. I'm gonna see if it goes all the way down in that time, which it probably should. Okay. Now, let's see if this will work. Let me try to bring it back up on my side. Nope. So let me bring it back up on this side. Let me shut the vehicle off. And let's see if it works. Turn it back to all that. Boom. Well, let's put it back up. Oh, it's automatic. Yep, that's right. Gosh. I'm so happy. I was, not gonna lie. I was like, what did I do? Fuses. No fuses blown. I was like, wow. I'm that guy, right? I modded it and it broke the day after. Literally 13,706 miles on this vehicle. So, wow. Well, there goes 40 grand, which not really, because it still runs and drives, but you know, still, when you spend a lot of money on a car, especially a new car, well, I've had this thing for a year now, but still, it's new to me, and you spend that much money on a car, you expect it to last for a while. So I was a little upset, a little frustrated, but you know, she is fixed. Now, I don't know if that makes me. I think that makes me an A+ mechanic, because I just fixed an issue that people could not understand what was going on. And it's all fixed now. No big deal. I did it. But in all seriousness, I had to email back MA Performance, because I know they were really, really worried. They were genuinely concerned about how they broke my vehicle. They were like, I don't understand. They were doing their research as much as they could. I got it. For me, for me, it was honestly a shot in the dark. I was like, well, maybe this is it, because a lot of times if your battery dies in your car or it just disconnects like that, it will not save stuff. So, like, also, like, if you have power seats, like where it saves your positioning, if your battery dies, sometimes when you go to get in, it doesn't move to you hit the button, it won't move back to where it was, because it did not save the that position. It didn't save the data for it. So with all that being said, MA Performance was not their fault. They did exactly what they were supposed to do. They, you know, gave me a great product. But if you are installing this stuff and you wonder why that's going on, this is why, okay? So if that happens, don't freak out. Don't do what I did. Don't contact, I guess you can contact them. That's like their whole point of customer service. But try this. Try that first. Try what I just did first. Let me know if it works. If anybody else has had this problem and this was a solution, you guys are smart, let me know in the comments. If not, if you do have this problem, watch this video first. Well, you're not going to know that, but if you watch this video, you can keep it in your mind for when it does happen to you, if it does happen to you. And apparently, from what I've been reading with Subarus, it's actually very, very, very common. So, because I had to go, like, way into it. Yeah, I was really frustrated. But now it's all figured out, and the Subaru's back. We're ready to go. I am still waiting on the clear weather. Like today. Yeah, it doesn't look bad right now, but earlier, raining. Later, raining. Tomorrow is going to be like 50, maybe. High of 50. And then the rest of the week and weekend, rain. Rain, thunderstorm, rain. Rain, 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 rain. I'm tired of rain. I want to go out. I want to have fun. And coronavirus needs to end, because it is time to have car meets, to go out, hang out, take everybody's car out, have fun, enjoy the cars that you spend a lot of money on and put a lot of time in. So this COVID-19 thing needs to stop. I almost coughed there. But if you guys liked today's video, make sure you go down and you smash that like button, smash the subscribe, refer this channel to any and everyone you know, because everyone else needs to be on the dad bod season train. With this being said, I will catch you guys next time. Have a great day. Stay safe. Dad bod season out.